Introducing the Indra RV series, a first of its kind marvel, India's own family of micro turbojet engines. Passionately designed and developed entirely in-house by Raghu Vamsi Groupt. Built for next-gen and high-speed UAVs to loitering munitions and target drones, the Indra RV series delivers exceptional thrust-to-weight ratios and compact performance. Forged from cutting-edge aerospace materials, our engines are a force of reliability, modularity, and mission-ready resilience. Built to perform anywhere, everywhere. Every Indra RV engine is a symbol of Atmanirbhar Bharat, crafted by Indian minds for Indian skies, free from imports. Power your platform with the Indra RV series, where indigenous innovation meets world-class propulsion. Indra RV series, India's engine for the future.